Yeah, I have to be safe. It's good to be safe. Tommy boy, are you ready to dive like a real man?
Right, we're going there, man.
Where?
The blower. The young blower, I don't know.
Oh, the big one. Yes.
I gotta pick my seatbelt.
Where are we going? We are going to Bloor, to the big building. My seatbelt is on. We're going to this one, the one behind this one. Oh, my seatbelt is on. One today we're going to do a product test. We're going to see if these $30 antennas are $100 antennas. I'll probably use these anyways because I like them and they're just convenient, and I don't like big things all the time, but we're going to be testing them out to see if the $30 antennas off Amazon as the $100 antennas. And how better to test it than to send it. Yeah. What should everyone do?
Subscribe and smash the like button.
If I feel like letting go, whoa, hold on till tomorrow. I can't need a lot to handle when I fall apart in shambles. Hold on, if I feel like letting go, whoa, hold on.
Okay, look at this, look at this, look at that. Thank goodness it broke when I took off, because if not, I'd be down another drone and an action cam and everything. Like,
Yep.
What a nightmare. I guess we need thicker cords.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!